If you want your eyes to look big, bright, and full of that Douyin charm, you are in the right place. Let me show you step by step. Hi everyone, I'm Anzeei and welcome back to my channel. I do makeup, skincare, and all things pretty. If that's your vibe, don't forget to subscribe and join the family. I have already prepped my skin, so I'm starting with e.l.f. Hello Glow Liquid Filter. This gives a subtle glow without looking oily, which is perfect because we want matte but a light vibe. Next, I spot conceal my dark spot. Remember, keep the thin layer because DouyinMakeup is all about looking effortless, not cakey. To lock everything in place, I set my face with pressed powder, especially focusing on the T-zone so it lasts all day. For brows, I like to keep them soft but groomed, so I just brush them up and set them in place using Benefit Brow Setter. No harsh line, just natural definition. Then, I move on to the nose contour. I take my Hoola bronzer and start from the inner brow. I blend down to the tip of my nose. Take your time here, keeping the lines soft for the natural soft shadow effect. For the eye look, first, I apply a light brown shadow all over my lids as a transition. Then, I layer a peachy shade on my lids and outer corner, focusing more on the outer V to elongate the eyes. For the inner corners, I use a light blue shade and bring it slightly down to the lower inner corner. This really brightens and opens up the eyes. Next, I add a pop of blue shadow on the top of that light blue, and then some highlights and some extra fine glitters on the inner corner for that iconic Douyin sparkle. Then I draw a sharp wing, keeping it thin and lifting slightly upwards. On the lower lash line, I smudge a bit of shadow to define the shape. And whatever's left on the brush, I softly create aerosol under my eyes, keeping it subtle and close to your natural crease for the cutest effect. Don't forget to define the very inner corners to tie the whole look together. I curl my lashes and pop on some falsies off camera. With a shimmery shadow, I highlight the bridge and tip of my nose, giving it that cute and button nose effect. For blush, I layer two shades, a light pink blended softly across my cheeks and nose tip for that flush, youthful look. Then a peachy shade concentrated on the center of my cheeks and a little on the chin for that dimension. With the same Hoola bronzer, I lightly contour my jawline and sides of my forehead. Then I contour just above my upper lips for that pouty look. So this is my favorite part. I line my lips softly, then apply the Maybelline Teddy Tint in the shade Skinny Dip, which is such a beautiful muted shade, and I top it off with a Romance Juicy Lip Gloss for that glassy finish. Finally, I dab a tiny bit of dewy balm just on the high points of my cheeks. And there you have it, the perfect Douyin-inspired soft glam look, matte, sparkly, and dreamy all at once. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you want me to do next. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.